Is time an illusion? The truth about past, present, and future. Does time work the way you think? We live our lives moving forward. We remember the past, experience the present, and anticipate the future. But what if time isn't a straight line? What if past, present, and future all exist at the same time? Scientists say time isn't as solid as we think. Philosophers argue that now is just a trick of the mind. And Einstein's theories suggest that time isn't absolute, it's relative. If time isn't what we believe it is, what does that mean for our memories, choices, and even our existence? Let's break it down. Section 1. Einstein's theory. Time changes depending on your speed. What if time changes depending on how fast you're moving? This isn't science fiction, it's physics. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity showed that time isn't the same for everyone. Time slows down or speeds up based on gravity and velocity. Example: astronauts in space experience time slightly slower than people on Earth. If you traveled close to the speed of light, time would slow down for you compared to someone standing still. In theory, if you moved fast enough, you could return to Earth and find that everyone else had aged while you barely changed. So if time isn't constant, what exactly is it? And if time can stretch or shrink, does that mean it's just another dimension, like space? Section 2. The block universe. Theory. All of time already exists. Most people think time flows like a river, always moving forward. But what if that's just an illusion? Many physicists believe in the block universe theory. This idea suggests that past, present, and future all exist at once. Imagine time as a movie DVD. Every scene, from beginning to end, is already there. You just experience them one by one. What if your future has already happened, but you just haven't reached that scene yet? What if your past still exists, but you can't rewind to it? If true, this means the future isn't something you create. It's something you eventually arrive at. And if time is already laid out, does that mean free will is just an illusion? Section 3. Why time feels faster as you age. Remember how long summers felt when you were a kid. Now, the years seem to fly by. This isn't just your imagination, it's how your brain processes time. When you're young, everything is new. Your brain records more details, making time feel stretched. As you age, life becomes routine. Your brain skips over repetitive experiences, making time feel shorter. This shows that time isn't just something happening outside of you. It's something your brain creates. If your mind can change how time feels, then what else can it change? Could time itself be nothing more than a product of consciousness? Section 4. Is the present moment even real? We believe we're living in the now. But what if now is just a delay? Neuroscientists have discovered that our brains don't process reality instantly. It takes time for our brains to interpret what we see and hear. That means everything you experience has already happened by the time your brain catches up. So, is the present moment even real? And quantum physics makes it even weirder. Some theories suggest that time doesn't move at all. Instead, the entire universe could be frozen, and time is just a mental trick. If true, what are we really experiencing? Section 5. What does this mean for your life? If time is an illusion, what does that mean for you? If your past still exists, do you ever really leave it behind? If your future is already written, how much control do you have? If now isn't real, then what is? Maybe life isn't about controlling time. Maybe it's about understanding the illusion. Maybe the key to living fully is realizing that the only thing that truly matters is how you experience each moment. Because if time isn't real, then the only thing that exists is your awareness. And maybe that's the biggest mystery of all. Conclusion. So, is time even real? Maybe time is just something our minds create to make sense of change. Maybe past, present, and future all exist at once. Maybe we are simply moving through a reality that never actually changes. Or maybe time is just another illusion we believe in, so we don't feel lost in the endless Einstein now.